Okay, everybody. So the other day I did a live thing. I was going to do this on YouTube, but apparently you need 1,000 subscribers. It doesn't matter if you get millions of hours of play, you need 1,000 subscribers to do mobile live. But I can do live with a webcam. It's stupid. So what I'm going to do is, you see how this headlight looks here? I did this the other day at night and kind of showed you guys the results. And this is what it used to look like, was like this. So what I'm going to show you guys is how I did this right now. So what I used was just regular food grade diatomaceous earth. This is freshwater, food grade, FDA approved. So let me see if I can get this set up right here really quick. Got a little tripod, and we're just going to point it at it really quick. Gonna try to get in close. So first thing we're gonna do is I'm just gonna show you that I'm gonna clean this with dishwash soap so you can see that it really is really fuckered up, okay? We're just gonna go wash it off really quick. Put some dishwash soap on there. See, it's dirty. That's gonna do the dirt off. To see how cloudy it still is. Keep in mind, it's been raining like every single day in Texas. So, like 2 inches in an hour kind of rain. So I don't know how that's showing up on there, but we're gonna do that. We'll dry it off so you can see what it looks like. So again, that was just dishwash soap I ran on it. I'll make sure I have all the soap off so you can see. Turn this off. So it looks like you can still see how foggy that is, but it's a little wet, so it's gonna make it look translucent. I'm gonna dry it off with my microfiber. So see how horrible that looks when it dries? It's just nasty. So that's how that looks. So now I'm just gonna use a little bit of diatomaceous earth on here. So let me wet it again. I just wanted you to see that when it dried. And I just got that diatomaceous earth in a duster. That's it. Microfiber. Still a little small area. You can already see it getting clear. Look at that. Just a little bit of effort. Again, that's just diatomaceous earth. So I didn't spend that much time on it. A little bit of moisture helps. Look at that. You guys see the difference? Just working that little spot right there. So let's do a little bit more. Again, if you guys ever tried doing this and how much effort you've spent on buffing, buying little pads, I actually bought some pads, which, oh crap, that's more than I need. So, so much for dust in it. But that's probably less than 50 cents worth of this stuff, so. Left hand this. If you guys need to restore your headlights, this is a 2009 Honda Fit. And somehow there's a seed inside of there. Figure that out. Oh. Now it's all drying on the outside. I'm gonna have to wash it off really quick. But look at that. Look at that. So that's what I wanted to show you guys today. My phone's probably gonna overheat. It's in the sun, but I'll let this go till it does. Let me just wipe it a little bit more. Maybe we can get this. Again, I'm not using power tools. I'm just using a microfiber cloth. This has a ton of the diatomaceous on it. So diatomaceous earth is mainly silica, and it's in a ground to a really fine powder. So I thought, hey, silica is what sandpaper is. This is really fine sandpaper. Let's see what it does. Well, it works better than the stuff you buy in the store. So I'm starting to see some of that cloudy stuff disappear. I'm not putting that much pressure on it. It's a fit. I don't have to put pressure for the car to move that much. I'm going to try this later and get it even better. I am going to use sponges and stuff on the drill, the little adapter for that. Little 1-inch sponge buffing pads. But I've not stopped the camera. You've seen me do this just a couple times on here. I see some stuff on the other side. Like I see water inside the lens. So I'm not going to get to that. But here, let me just finish cutting through the crud over here because I can see it disappearing. And I can do a much better job than what I'm showing you guys right here. But granted, my phone's probably gonna overheat because I haven't seen a phone that does 4K without overheating yet. So and again, this thing's all covered now because I did a lot more dust than I wanted to when I squirted it that one time. So let me just hit it with the hose for a little bit and you guys can see the final results. I'll go get a clean one and dry it off. Clean one, brand new. There you go, guys. If I can just figure out how to get inside of that, that would be awesome. So that's my little short review this test that today. That was just something I discovered the other day. So now it says my phone is getting warm, so it's going to start shutting stuff off. So I will catch you guys later. Thank you guys for watching this short live stream.